So last time we have problems with rules. So here is our Earth with 6 continents and with 42 territories. At the beginning we will put out 15 cards which will represent 15 territories, and on each the territory we will put the figure of factory. So this is a card of West USA, so I will put a factory to the place of West USA. So there is 4 figures in this game. This is a figure for factory. This is a capital city of a red player. This is a figure for 1 troop, and this is for 3 troops. At the beginning, each player will have to prepare a number of troops. If 5 players are playing, you will prepare 20 troops. If 4 players, they will prepare 25 troops, and if 3 players, they will prepare 30 troops, each of them. Then you will roll a dice. The player with the highest number starts, and then it goes in a clock way. So first player will place a capital city to any territory with no factory on it. So I choose, for example, South Africa. Then, for example, yellow player will place his or hers capital city to Egypt. Then it goes like green player, blue player, black player, and then again a red player plays a first troop to his capital city. Now you control it. The same will do yellow, green, blue, and then you can put other troops to any free territory. That means a territory with no opponent troops. So you cannot put like this. You cannot do it because this territory is controlled by yellow player, but you can put it, for example, on Madagascar or to the Middle Africa. The same will do. Yellow player and then green, blue again, and you will do it like this then. You can also put your troops to the territory you control already. So for example like this. Before the start we need to give to the third and the fourth player 1 card, and to the 5th player we will give 2 cards. Also we need to give small and big goals to the game. It's this. It's 4 big goals, it's black. 4 small goals, it's red. So each player in every turn has 4 actions. First action is calling the troops. So how to call the troops? You will count the territories and factories you control. So for red player here it's 1, 2, 3, 4 territories and 2 factories. So it's 6 in total, and you will divide this number by 3. So it's 2. The red player will have 2 troops, 4 territories and factories. Then you will count the capital cities the red player control. He has 1, so it's 3. Also, so just now for Africa, the red player has 3 troops. So for example, here, so it's 3 troops. Also there is a bonus for controlling each continent. It will look like this. So here the red player will have a bonus 2 troops for continent. To conquer the continent or control the continent means that you have figure on every territory of that continent. Also, you can change your cards for troops. You will count the stars on them example here you have 3 stars, and you can change it for 4 troops. If you will 7 stars, you will have 17 troops. If you have 10 stars, you have 30 troops. The second action is attacking, so you can attack the neighbor territory controlled by opponent player. So for example, you can go from this to this territory. You can attack neighbor territory. If the territory is no controlled by any player, you can go there like this and you control it. So what you have to remember in attacking: cubes. Black cubes are attacking cubes, red cubes are defending cubes. Each cube represents 1 troop. You can attack. The maximum number of troops you can use for it is 3. You will defend. The maximum troops you can defend with is 2, because of the cubes. Just now I will show you an attack 1 to 1 troop. So red player will attack to the yellow player. You have to realize that you have to stay in attacking, you have to stay with minimum amount of 1 troop on each territory. You have to stay there. So to attack with 1 troop, you have to have 2 troops in a territory. So just now it's an attack of 2 troops. 1 troop to 1 troop. So your attacker will throw a dice, and defender will throw a dice. If it's like this, the defender and attacker has the same number, and attacker lose. So you will go out with 1 attacking troop. If attacker will have smaller number than defender, also goes out. If attacker will have only bigger number, higher number than defender, the attacker wins, defender lose, and the attacker conquer a new territory. And just now I will show you an attack 3 troops to 2 troops. So red player will go with 3 troops, yellow player will defend with 2 troops. So they throw cubes. You see, red player is attacking with 3 troops, so he will throw 3 cubes. When he throw it, you need to make it in order from the highest number to the lowest number. The defender will do the same, so it will be like this. And you make a pairs. So in this row, every time it's a fight 1 to 1. So in this pair, the defender wins. So you will go out with 1 troop. And in this time, attacker wins because it's higher. So it's 1-1. So 1 defender lose, 1 attacker lose. And you go back. Then you can attack again. And again and again. How many times you can. If you conquer a territory, if you conquer it, you can attack again with the same troops. Like you need to stay with 1. So in this case you can attack only with 2 troops to this territory. And also, if you win the fight for territory, if you will win this, you can move any number of troops from attacking territory to a conquer territory. Third step is reward. During the attacking, if you conquer any new territory, so if you like destroy opponent's territory, you can take 1 card, take it to your deck, and if you fulfill the mission, you can take a card of a mission but you cannot take card and mission card. You can choose only one. Big card, like black mission cards, means that you will have one more troop. Small is like one territory. So if you will count a territory, you will count also small missions. And the fourth and last step is moving. You can move a troop from one place to another if the places are connected, so you can go like this. The places, the territories are connected by your troops, so you can move them. And that's it. That's all what you can do. And the next player